Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I've sat down to film. Actually, it's been a while. I had a video that I filmed a video and I was gonna edit it and I was gonna put it up, but looking back at the pictures and just like remembering the whole filming experience, I was not happy with it, and I was like, I didn't even edit it actually. It might have been a good video, but I just didn't feel happy with it because I was not content with the pictures that were taken after the video was done. So I was like, if I don't like the pictures, if I'm not gonna post these pictures, that video is not worthy of posting. So I am going to refilm it, redo it. So that'll be coming up sometime later this month. But other than that, today's gonna be a very fun look. It's very colorful, it's really not wearable, honestly. I bought a new palette and I sat down and I just did one eye, and I showed my mom and she liked it. She's like, yeah, I really like it. And then I really liked it too because it's more fun, it's more bold. It's something I wouldn't do in my daily life for makeup. So I was like, I'm gonna do that, and I'm excited. I'm really excited because I'm playing with color and I don't usually do that. So yeah, so if we're gonna do this video, because I've been wanting to film like for 2 hours already, I finally sat down and I'm like, I'm gonna do it now. And then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize. I'm breaking out. I don't know what. I'm not bad, but I am noticing I'm getting a lot of small pimples. I have one right here, like it's like a mark. One right down here, one right here, like I can feel it, like it's a scab. And then like right here, I got one right here. I've never gotten a pimple like right here in the center of my nose, so I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to moisturize, and I'm going to use this right here. It is the Olay. Why do I feel like I'm saying this weird? It is the Olay Luminous Whip Moisturizer. I was gonna get another other one, the rejuvenate. I can't talk. It is a moisturizer, so I'm going to put that all over my face and let it sink in while I do my makeup. This feels really good and smells really good. Alright, so now that we are moisturized, I'm just gonna let that sink into my skin, and let's move on into the ojos. Los ojos. Did I just move my contact? Oof. Sorry for this horrendous image of myself. But yeah, okay, so let's get started. Alright, so I haven't even told you the palette I'll be using today, but it is Juvia's palette, and it's this one right here. It is the Afrique by Juvia's palette, and it is beautiful. It's beautiful. That's what it looks like. These are stunning, and I'm so excited to use this palette. I'm so excited to use these shades. So since I'm gonna be using much more bold, bright shades, which is totally not fitting for fall, but I feel like I shouldn't be limited to certain colors during the season. Fall. I'm gonna go in with this NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid just to intensify the colors. I hope this works. I'm not sure. So we're experimenting right now. Alright, so now that the base is done, I would set it normally, but I'm not going to set it today because I feel like colors will stick better to the lid with a tacky base. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to go into is this green right here, and I'm not going to pronounce the names of any of these shades because I honestly don't know. I'm probably like going to butcher them all, and I just don't want to pronounce names wrong. Okay, so into this green shade, it's so pretty, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my crease. Alright, so the next shade I'm gonna go into is this blue shade, which is just so pretty. It's just gorgeous. Like, these colors are so pretty. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner of my crease, and I'm just gonna blend those two colors in it together. Alright, so while I blend those two colors in, I'm also gonna take this yellow shade right here and I'm just gonna use that to blend the outer edges of both colors. And I don't know how else to explain it. I'm just gonna blend it out because it's getting like weird over here, and I need to clean that up. So yeah. So now that I have both colors in the crease blended, I'm gonna move on to the next step. If it looks a little bit messy, it's okay. I'm gonna cut the crease. I just need those shades in my crease. So I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm gonna, what am I gonna use? Am I gonna use the Tarte Shaped Concealer? Oh, I used that moisturizer I used at the beginning. It blurred my skin. And my skin feels really soft. It feels like I have a protective layer on top of my skin. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with that white base again, and hopefully it works. So now that I've cut the crease, I'm going to take those same shades I put on the crease, but I'm going to put them in opposite sides of my lid. So where I put the green, I'm going to put blue right below it, and then I'm going to put green right below blue. But I'm just going to put it on the sides, and I'm going to leave the center bare, okay? Alright, so I went ahead and put concealer in that empty space. I don't think I told you what I did afterwards. Well, I took this shade right here, this gold shade that I'm wearing now, which is this shade right here, and I just put it like in the center, sort of like a halo eye, but it's not a halo eye. You know what I'm saying? Because, I don't know, this is not a halo eye to me. So I went ahead and I took a little bit of this other shade, which is this one right here. And I got a little like small brush, like this one is from Tarte, and I just like put that right there to like blend those two colors. I feel like that shade is a mixture of blue and green, so I just put it right there for it to be like a transition and for it not to look so rough with that gold shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have both eyes done, I do want to create a wing, but I don't want it to be a black basic wing. So I really want to use this yellow shade right here, and I want to use it as my wing. I want to make a wing with that color, but obviously I can't just put yellow because it wouldn't work. So I'm going to try to take this right here. Sorry. I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to try to create a wing with it. Hopefully it works. If not, then it's not going to work. I don't know. Alright, so I went ahead and did the first wing, and it actually, I like how it turned out. It's very bold, but I had some eyeshadow, some yellow eyeshadow in this little thing, and it was dried up. And so I took some Ingla Duraline and I mixed it in there, and it gave me a liquid eyeliner. So I used that because I was doing it, I did that thing with the white base, and then I started doing it with the white the yellow eyeshadow, but it just didn't look good. So I saw that and I created a wing. I actually like how it looks. I'm really liking how it looks. Hello guys, welcome back. This is a whole 2 different days. It is day outside right now. My nails are shipped. It's an entire 2 different days than the last clip you just saw. So I basically did my base off camera. That's what I was doing last time, but things happened and I didn't do it. Well, I didn't finish it and I just never was able to come back to the video. So here I am. Hi. Alright, so base is done. I didn't show you any of them because it's all stuff that I use constantly, so it's just gonna be a waste of time. Honestly, you've seen me use the same products hundreds of times already, so there's no point. So I am now going to do my lower lash line and my lashes. The only thing I didn't put on was highlight because I'm still debating. I want to use this right here, which is the Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm still debating whether I want to use that purple highlight with a mixture, like the Spectrum mixture of Luna. Still not sure. I guess I'll decide once I get my lower lash line done. So far I'm loving this palette. This palette is amazing. It is so freaking pigmented. It's beautiful. Look at these colors. I love this palette. I'm obsessed with this eye look as well. I've done it like 3 times already and I still am not tired of it. I love it. I think it gives me superhero vibes. And then my friend is like, Peacock, can I be part of the X-Men yet? I don't know. So yeah guys, let's get on with the lower lash line. First, before I do go in with those colors, I'm going to take some setting powder. This is loose setting powder, and I'm going to just put some underneath on my under eye because fallout is going to happen. I'm pretty darn sure. Look great. I love it. I'm going to take the blue shade in the palette. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name because I can't. It's just impossible for me to pronounce the names. And I'm gonna go in with the green. Alright, so after I did that, I did take some of that green and I put it right here against the wing part, just like outlining it. And then I went ahead and took some of that yellow shade from the palette. Let me show you this shade right here, that yellow shade, and I like used the brush with it to like clean up around the area. And then I went ahead and used a ColourPop lippy cream gel pencil and a teaspoon, and I just put that in my waterline. And so now I'm gonna take the shade Angelique, which is this beautiful pearl shade. It's so pretty, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner, and I'm gonna also use it to highlight my brow bone. So for highlight, I'm gonna take Spectra and Luna. Those are 2 shades on the right here. These ones right here. I don't want to lift it too much because the first highlight is broken, so I just dropped it and my whole leg is highlighted. Alright, so I took this lipstick, green lipstick. This is the only green lipstick I own, and it's from Hard Candy. It is in the shade Journey or Jealousy. Jealousy. This is the final look. This is sort of like a Halloween look, right? I don't know, but this is the final look. This is just much more fun, not so like serious, you know, just to have fun with the colors, because I never do this kind of look, so I figured why not? And I've never used this lipstick. I've had it for a while now and I've never used it, so I think this is the perfect look to debut it with, I guess. But yeah guys, I really like, why am I so closed up still? Hold on, there we go, so much better. Woohoo! So yes, I really like this look and I hope you guys like it too. I had so much fun, even though it took me like 4 days to finish it. But just kidding. But I really love how it turned out. I think it's really fun. You really don't have to outline the lips. I don't know why I did it. I wanted to be special, I guess. But I'm obsessed with this look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of it. What does this look remind you of? Like, for some reason it gives me what is that word I always use? Superhero vibes. Like, I want to be part of the X-Men. Can I join the X-Men team, please? But then I guess I see the peacock vibes that my friend told me. She was like, you know, it reminds me of peacocks. I was like, maybe. But now I see it. Now I see it. And I like it. Anyways, yes guys, this is all for today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you're still here watching this video, then please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!